Hi, in this video I'm going to be teaching you an easy version of the Bruno Mars song, Just the Way You Are. Now, many pop songs are based on a very simple pattern of chords, and Just the Way You Are is no exception. In fact, it's a bit of a three-chord wonder, which is brilliant. So let's start with the right hand. It begins with the chord of F, so that's F, A, C, followed by a chord of D minor, D, F, A, to B flat, B flat, D, F, and then back to your F chord, F, A, C. And you play each chord 8 times, and that is basically the whole song. However, I'm going to simplify this even further, so instead of playing the full chord, I'm going to miss out the middle note and just play the outer 2. So for the F chord, that would mean playing just the F and the C. For the D minor chord, you would play the D and the A. For B flat, you would play B flat and F. And then back to the F chord, the F and the C. So let's give that a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the left hand plays long-held notes taken from the root of the chord. So whatever the right hand plays with the thumb, the left hand will double lower down. So for example, when you play your F chord, left hand plays an F. When you play your D minor chord, left hand plays a D. Then moving to B flat. Then back to the F again. Now I was using finger 2 with my left hand for every note, but you could use 1 on F, 3 on D, 5 on B flat, or 1 on F, 2 on D, 4 on B flat. Whatever is more comfortable for you, that's absolutely fine. Everyone's hands are different. So let's try this, both hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So have a practice. Let's try it with the backing track now. Seven, 8. Okay, now ideally you perhaps would want to play and sing at the same time, or get a friend or family member to sing along as you play. If you're going to do that, it's really nice to add an introduction as well. So your right hand would start on the higher F with a little finger, finger 5, And the notes you use are F, F, C, C, B flat, A. And here's the rhythm pattern. And you play that 4 times in total. Now when you add the left hand, you use the same notes, the same long held notes that you've been playing through the whole piece. So that is F to D to B flat to F. So there you go. Bruno Mars, Just the Way You Are. Good luck.